Together with a CV or resume, a cover letter highlights what makes you a great fit for the job. A well-written cover letter shows your personality in 3 concise paragraphs. Let's see how you can do it. Let's say you're applying for a marketing associate position. You will need to provide a subject title. The letter or email should start with a greeting to the HR manager. If you can, find out their names. If you can't, then stick with this. In the opening paragraph, directly express the reasons for writing this email. Also, introduce yourself and show enthusiasm in applying for the job. In the body paragraph, dig into your most relevant experience and talk about the specific qualifications and skills that make you the perfect candidate. You can also add a few more paragraphs to illustrate your skills and accomplishments. Avoid repeating the bullet points on your resume, as your potential employer will likely have read your resume already. At the end of your cover letter, thank the employer and take this opportunity to clarify any potential questions, such as long gaps in employment. End your letter with a complimentary closing. Use "yours faithfully" if you do not know the name of the recipient, or "yours sincerely" if you know the name of the recipient. So that's basically everything. Remember, 3 main sections on 1 page. Most importantly, keep everything concise. Need some more help? Book a writing studio. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the ELSS website for more resources.